Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a forever wreath. And we're using a gel press and Oly-Fun fabric from Fairfield World. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a forever wreath. Printing my own leaves on a gel press because you can choose your own colors to match your decor. Make sure to check out fairfieldworld.com to see all the colors of Oly-Fun. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.